2, 1. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful price action, guys. What can I say? What's going on, guys? It's GBP, baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. Hope everybody's doing well. And yeah, let's get straight into things. So we're trading GBP and Euro. We do have a news release. It's Thursday. Hopefully you watched yesterday's video so you have an idea of what's been going on. Now price did rally quite heavily higher, way more heavy than I anticipated. But if you've been watching my videos this week, you know that I have been overall bearish. Like, I've been wanting to see lower prices even though we've been rallying very heavily. So I do believe this is all manipulation, especially with the news releases we have today and tomorrow. So hopefully it will play out as I'm going short. So I'm just going to set my stop loss above this swing high. This price shouldn't need to come back above there, and I'll start to break down my actual positions. One thing to take note of is we haven't actually traded into the Asian range low yet, so I do believe price is going to target that. So that's what I'm going to delineate right here. So I'd like to see price make its way down there. 8:30 is literally in 20 minutes, so that's going to be our high impact news event. And yeah, I'm just expecting a run down. Now, one thing to take note of, we will look at the London range, and again look at how price treats the midpoint. Again, keep saying again, price shouldn't need to trade back above the midpoint of that London range, which is why I can comfortably position my stop loss there, because it uses ranges, it uses these zones and ranges to refer to. So we can put 50% of London, Killzone. So you can see our price has been treating that, finding resistance at it. Look how we consolidate, and then we've left that level, which is nice to see. And then we have these sell stops below here and relative equal lows below here. And then let's go over to Euro and should see similar price action. We can short Euro, and then we can put our stop loss above here. And you can see that Dixie has been making its way up quite nicely, looking like it's going to run for these highs, and we've got relative equal highs residing up here. So I'm watching for dollar to run towards that buy side liquidity. So yeah, it should be an interesting news announcement, to say the least. You can see we just took out that buy side liquidity, and this is that inversion fair value gap I was talking about. Well, I'm going to get rid of all of that. And again, I'll make sure to link yesterday's video where I explained, because like I said, I didn't expect such a strong rally in London, although I did check the news and there was high impact news on Euro. So this isn't surprising. I probably should have been more prepared with regards to that, but yeah, I'm expecting expansion very soon. You'll also see that this also traded into a breaker. We've got a high, a low, a higher high, and price has broken lower. So you'll see that position was nicely lined up with this breaker. See Dixie's, and remember, this is a daily fair value gap. This pink box I'll show you, that's a daily fair value gap we're trading in now. So what I want to see is support found inside of it once we're trading inside of it. And then I'd want to see us start to work our way towards 50% level with a potential reach up above where this volume imbalance was. We'll definitely take some of our position off down here. We can put a limit to buy back half our position at Asia's low. So let's just add a buy limit there, and we're going to buy back half of our position. So let's make that 5,000. Now don't worry about, I always say this, don't worry about the amount. I'm here to show you how to scale out of your positions, partial your way out of your positions. So Euro struggling, Euro showing a little bit more strength. We can see that on Euro GBP, there's strength on Euro, which we can see getting reflected in the Euro dollar. Now obviously it's still moving lower, but it's just in terms of rallies, as in like when we get pullbacks and things, you can see that Euro is struggling with that, whereas pound is pretty comfortable moving lower. What we're going to do as well is we can actually let's try using some standard deviations. And so you can see we traded up to 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 standard deviations higher. That means technically we should be looking to go 8 standard deviations lower. Whether right, it doesn't mean it's going to do it today, right? But we can anticipate at least half of that to get traded to, which is 2. As in, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do half of that down, 1, 2, which is just below that daily low. So we can use this as a target moving into, moving into the rest of the day. And then maybe tomorrow we may see the other 8 get filled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down here. Maybe. I haven't used standard deviations enough to be able to say. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful price action, guys. What can I say? You can't make this stuff up, man. Let it catch itself. Look at that, 50%. And then we're going to watch it tumble its way down to our limit. Beautiful price action. I'm going to give myself a round of applause for that. Can't make this stuff up. Look at the respect, the Asian range, consolidating at that 50% midpoint. And we nearly finally got our buy limit taken. I'm probably going to end this trade video here purely because I don't want to be filming for too long, because it's been 40 minutes already. But yeah, interesting, right? Expansion. We can probably drop our stop to this high now because we're taking out this low and close below it. And I am gonna leave a runner on, as like I said, it would be nice to see if the pound can reach this low. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.